Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
E tā wale mai yo le leo seo le avea mau sui fifilia mo lau saufanga i nupi wha. O le tu langa i whaingo fia i nupi wha na whaasafua lau saufanga ma whaamanianga mai nupi wha. Mo e pe le mama mai ati oi. Asa suwane se ofisa nupi wha la tane. Pe wala ang mai leonu wha balu o o.
Tāwhalawa Samoa, I'm Jack Laban. For any competition, I'm all about speed, skills, culture, and of course, my technique. Wow, Leo.
Siwa e au wala i se te ngā tupe mo le lumanai manuia. E mole puipuinga tau tupe o lau soifua, mai mawhai o na tauna no atu, mo so se mahua anga i te whina ngalo iai.
Samoa Life, le insiua mo tangata nuu o Samoa.
We're here to give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota.
A few may nei loy le Federal Pacific Finance no so mana onga tau tupe ba serving Samoa's financial.
Nafanua, Napa Pero, Tenine, Mawai, Wabitek, Mary Lua Mayai, Tuaya, Munia Salmon and Mountain, this is a rock for Yatato. Be at why we pa wa lava lona pa ka lava pananga Israel mo pananga aron pa wa lava lona pa ka lava tato we ma ta ia tua Israel pa wa lava lona. Let us praise our Lord and our God. He's so good. Because His love is eternal. Ngang paya natumaputa melapanau ni kaya. Ulobi inga leo sisi oi mato ono watina paadwat wai pak opto mo ne tu mo talat. Lea ua e ai mātou sa po suia. Ne ngā panua, vai a. Nea la poto mai lea, sui mo mango le pāle mele, malo mai pako, e mai se mātou uma. Se o mātou mori mau i lolo, ua e pai me si, ua malo samua, maolo tangatana. Ia ke mai a ia pāle mai lo ke lalo mo i mātou, pai o na mātou ngā due tus, malau tete ina ngā pai ia, aua lama tangatana. O na o suafo mātou tāwai. Ngai upla iti lava o tia peita winga mai tusi ngā wenga le au apostol ai pātau le malanga le apostol o Paulo i Roma ia waa me kaula ia e tāua e mau aisino pe au na titi mo la waa ia mtato uma ngā wenga tau pe rusipu ma piku lau pa tau winga nai ko yuku iwa pa amuta mai sipu ma ta no uma aso e tene ma wawa i on koe a pātia i ko lau ma vai po kore ang kongo ngā poa ia tuai leo kongo ia te gato o ia paka ali o lo manato le a tele le anga ma mau mea i le nei ko lau le ngata le uta ma le ba ai a ko ko ta to mo ta to wona a ua usi tai o le to sena il tau tai ma le i ona ba ai le usi tai u ala apostolo ko ia pa mo ia le tua ia na yo pa ia i no to pa ko mai ia to la wina mai le pion pa ia ta to o le tau o sao o le pai o pai i se pa mo mo ma le amana ia au wa o le mele tupu i le vaale na malanga ai le apostolo o nau tele le kapte ma le awa ma le li i ona pa alu pea le malanga alu le malanga lai e si waku lai pia tau nubi ai ai e so la ese ma le winta ai vai tau tomu ale le tupu ai pa vitao di le le tema top novema le wo mai te ni wa tele o tato vai bem le ai vai chegar o corpo ini kai mana ai to challenge mai o ese tapi uman mere tupu i au va ale wa umman fa tua tangata o le tua ta ufi yai tei manu le tua o mai ta to mo e ai le mafai al pina o balo captain male o pa tasi mo mane ona ba wa mana o tuli lo la to mana onga pa tangata ai ngalo ya la to e assiste o tala taia mo tala ma nare ale laki o le nei au mala wala malanga le to lu se la piku ma lima o pangta roma dia ave roma ana pasa o ina le malanga ato o tangata to tasidia na rupo e de ko le tua paulo captain au ni ya na tangata ya ke seo apenas se ko tangata mai ko ku mai angi ko ya ya pai ko ko la ya mo kata mai tau nu la me lo le pa mo ta wo ta to na we man ta ua tu lalu ya ngā mo le ngai mo tato au ma tato ngā e ko be aku ko ya ngau to ke ai ai taimi sasi ai o tato pe e ko wa vi wa be te a ko taimi ke se ko sakia a de to e mana tua e ro ko le tu ma ma o le au ai pa tai te a tai ai ko yesha e pa au nga I'm talking about Paul's mission to Rome and the interest of the captain and the owner of the ship to pursue their own aims rather than listening to advice, good counsel. However, they want to listen to these guys. So as a result, they encounter terrible cycles. They almost lost their life. But just because of one man, God-like, real man, 275 prisoners and the crew were saved simply because God loved one man. But later, they worked together as a team. Paul and Judas, the Roman officer, was with Paul. He saw something different from this man. And because of his life, the whole group was saved. But the soldiers wanted to assassinate them all, because they don't want them to escape. But because of one man of God, all the rest were saved. Yeah, I know. We are here this afternoon for the opening or the launching of a new replacement for the Nafanua. I don't know how long the Nafanua left. But for our friends from Australia, Nafanua is named after one of the greatest prophetess of Samoa. Her name is Nafanua. And she was the greatest warrior in those days. The scope of Nafanua is not a worship. That's my own understanding as a minister. But the scope of the Nafanua is to keep peace, not only in the region, but in the coastal areas around our islands. We know a lot of problems and issues affecting all the custom officers and everywhere around the world, especially when we talk about drugs and all that. It's so amazing how the people use different things. So amazing. Even inside the iron pipes, just imagine. They use that. So if you are not aware of it, it's very easy for Samoa to get drowned in it. We are facing those problems. I'm serving in New Zealand as a first minister in Handover. And I like seeing all these kinds of issues every television. And I think about our country, how peaceful it is, how great it is. I listened to the parliament today, how much I appreciate your integration. So peaceful and so constructive. Rather than some of the news I hear, but since I'm here, I'm so impressed. I'm not praising you parliamentarians, the cabinet, but this is what Samoa wants. We want to perceive peace, and we want to name our Nafanua a messenger of peace, not a messenger of war. Because originally, that was why Nafanua was going. It was going on our warrior, not to do war around the rich. I don't know what I could do on Nafanua going to survive that state, but I heard a lot of stories of that. whether the motive was right or wrong. Yeah. I think it's a foreigner. But as I'm one, I'm really grateful for all the developments open up for all of you, just like the Nafanua. Sometimes we get with me over the country, wait for them. But for me, I'm very, very appreciative of it. For the captain and the crew, I mean, you guys are very lucky. In olden days, there were no campus. They rely on the moon and the stars. And sometimes the flow of current, sometimes the wind. But nowadays, you just see, break the pattern, and you see where, find out where you were born. You are very lucky. But before I sit down, captain and this was an advice of one of the ministers who served in Africa. One of the ocean. Before you sail every day, when you finish your mission, success or not, sample. Now, it's from your father Pipai to you. I advise you the advice from that great minister of the country. Sample first for a mission you were appointed to go and pray. Pray as much and you return, do the same. When you were in trouble, kapteni mea ayeni mala mani papita uli to po ua toba ua po mando le de va po le tua ayeni mala o tata mala yo to pailo mo to au nungan vasa roa de va po tapi ya ngao to tao cũng hiểu nhiều là cách sẽ quay một phần sẽ quay cái các cô bác Giêsu ơi chào tới đâu mà đi đến mà sắp quay mặt xa mau ua pa mau mawai o mai lava i so ma ka lo vi inga le tu ma tu ta pa yo ya o na ma tu pa ti pa lo tu pa pa ba ma lo i le so se me ta ape ai sa mo ai ma tu o o ti ti pa se ya ya o i ni ta ya yu ua o ma tu pa manu ma le pa tai i le paa o e poa i o sa. Lo iai nis paa mo e teni. Ai mai se lava le lava e ina o toa tene o ola o neia. Mai le vasa roa. Devi e o e si la pia mea. O le mātou tā ia sanga o ngā e au nang. Lau au au lo tai ka ngā nuega mo o pisa e mai se man umo le mātou. Lātou pata o e ina o lātou paiwala vea. Sosta wa ngā wena pui le ngate le atu nuu awa ai so stas pa peo maki malo ma ele ir ma tua pa via au pa mene mo pai nei vai nen ele ai oi sui mama na to mau to pa ia pa wa wai wa sai nga via mo ma to tal ko ele tua o at de mano ma tal sang Samo uma o sosi. Mai se rato uma o ta mai mo te malao i tua. Devi ire o paia tia mat o mato ta sa. Ia pa mir o piso leo, pa mir ma mat ma sia. Ara ya Cristo Yesu ma o mato.
Lau sunga i le whawhenenga. O mani tu le mana o mani no tuwa. O le foi ua e si. Na whatea I rangi I whamanua ni ka. Ola mātou te tā. Le liwane whongo I owa tausi lau sunga I whawhenenga. Na whamanua pēr I ātu. Maua lo manis. Reverend Scoria, thank you for having me with us. And thank you for prayer. Our prayer is for God to turn His face to us and continue to bless you and give you peace. I may now call upon His Excellency Will Robertson, the Commissioner of Australia in Samoa, for your opening remarks.
Reverend Kapai Kolia, Deputy Prime Minister Tuala Bangoslapo Bonifacio, Minister of Police Paualo Harry Schuster, Cabinet Ministers, Police Commissioner Aopawa, and your team at the Samoa Police Service, Government of Samoa colleagues, Diplomatic Corps representatives, Australian Defence Attaché Sean Benbora, AFP Mission Commander Daniel Evans, friends, ladies and gentlemen, talo palava. Whakatai mo la avanoa e whai a sina tala pupu I lene awali. Olo ingo o Will Robinson, mao aho o la High Commissioner o Australia I Samoa. Thank you very much for the opportunity to speak on behalf of the Australian Government. Firstly, may I commend the captain and crew for a successful voyage, bringing the Nafanua 3 home to Samoa. Congratulations. I thank your family and friends for their prayers and their patience while you were away serving your country. Ladies and gentlemen, the Nafanua is a symbol of the deep and enduring partnership between Australia and Samoa. For Australia and Samoa are united by our values. We are democratic nations committed to peace, freedom, and the rule of law. Our two countries, Australia and Samoa, are also united as founding members of the Pacific Islands Forum. And along with other PIF members, we are united by our commitment to a peaceful, secure, and prosperous Blue Pacific. For fundamentally, we are united by our geography. We are not separated by the Pacific Ocean, but connected by it. And through these connections, we share responsibilities to one another, including the stewardship of our natural resources and the maintenance of regional peace and security. And so the Nafanua is more than a symbol as well. It is a very real part of Australia's contribution to realising our commitments to Samoa and to the region. Like its predecessors, this patrol boat will support Samoa's critical work of patrolling its sovereign waters, combating transnational crime, and deterring illegal fishing. Australia is immensely proud of our long partnership spanning 35 years to support Samoa's maritime security. For that, I acknowledge and thank the Samoan Police under the effective leadership of Minister of Police Paulo Harry Schuster and Police Commissioner Aopawa for their tireless work to prepare and train the crew. I acknowledge and thank the Australian Defence Force, represented here by Australian Defence Attaché Sean Benfora and Maritime Security Advisor Lieutenant Commander Jared Willans, and other colleagues from the Australian Defence Force. Can I particularly acknowledge and farewell Warrant Officer Chris Marsh, who has made an immense contribution to bringing the Nafanua home to Samoa. I also would like to acknowledge the important work of the Samoa-Australia Police Partnership, under which Australian Federal Police and their counterparts in the Samoan Police are working shoulder to shoulder. These ongoing partnerships serve as an important reminder of our cooperation and commitment to learning from each other. Australia is very proud to support Samoa's ongoing efforts to keep its most important assets, its people, its land, and its sea, safe and prosperous. In this era of uncertainty, we are immensely fortunate to live in a region that is peaceful, a region that believes in community and prosperity for all. It is our sincerest hope that Nafanua 3 continues to live up to its namesake, bringing peace and stability to the Blue Pacific region. So to the Samoa Police and to the crew of Nafanua, I am deeply honoured to convey Australia's best wishes to all of you as you fulfil your important mission. Soifua Maia Manuia.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for your remarks. Our prayers is for the Lord to continue, bless you in your journey, and to give you the strength so that you can learn more about our land and this responsibility. Never know the name of the Valawai Maltele. You know, Fiona, in Stam Tana, the Leo Fiona, the Wallo, and she's some of those someone else. No sugar.
Suma te taezami, te pai polia, fio mista kabineta, fio mai ampasa maro esse, te na neve, mai William Carter Roberts, in Samoa, Jackson, a fio mai falo no montana de esse maro, maro agora ali para ver como é Samoa, tanto uma ficha ali ao o salamo, o faian, o país, até ali man kalau malu manfaatmu ada yang sistem terang belum dapat kuasa karena berbagai orang berfaham. Kita tu ini jauh itu Afrika jauh dia. Ada yang mayu pak ada itu orang Taiwan Nafanua itu sama mula ini so selasa nama awak itu dia awal. Aku mau win on na taifa le Samoa ele na taile fa ilonga le o tu mo pe lang fa o wa ma ro Australia ne sitia o wa ku na tu no le tulang ne pasi então ainda mai o le ba sa fa ma sia i pe le o fe na pa na ba ma ro Australia ma ro Samoa pe o le ko de tu Hotel sana alona sosone al maro Australia mo mal tutti o na taifa le sa da foi fast food sana utona na mataro ia fe na pa na fa al maro Australia te sana te sinto tas utona ia le o liva te sana talu na fa to a ya sa mo ba tu mo pas tu tas mai pula ha si te tomo na te fale no nga sam protasi una o fa na tu lo ye te lo manuia ma lo mo so sa ti le na te le tu te tama ba e do na o te fa te fo mo le le te o na ta ta ni ele na mo la ina ku ta wa da e ma o ma da le na te fale mo na sa o no a mo su no ta Fama taino faso tu la fon, adesso le avere in faso tu la fon, tornata mo fuori al passaggio, ma si tu hai una magliona del bafi, o no ia in fa una in aita to ma tai fa. E tu le un po' tavo te le sa Sounding like they are not that to Munma, they so. The other factor would be one of the association of someone who will factor away in Fabama. But there, the Maru Rios is among us, but they are much more my Fatama. Only for it being on the day of our Nafanua, I am for my telling one of a young master window on my son Fabama. When they were my own factor to my in seeing technology found for me. In the city of Fulham or Roma, a little son, Italia choice or so trying on town. You don't have them to run a tough on the town, not a fun. I did not tell you. My grandma would love it, so for more or to not have them and Tafayu, or put out other things for the other father. You know what? Fear about enough for one. Some of our fear to run a town to do not a father son. What they're more. Pamana tuna ya matala ya ba ina mata sehina ile ya nene totimo au ngafa pele alo au onga malusta yota ya lamba alafu uma ya fata tia model lei masama le mo o nana tau na te fa o be foi ile fa ita u ma no to titiloi de malo me sa fa le to o fa tino ma do to ta pena ta ya la wa pu yo to como tu la por el esto de tu la ma yo to ana fa ma de no tanto no la do fa ta si fa yo fa do tu ta u ma ta u tu ma na ta fa mai mo bien te de sa mo na do fa ta si ma ro sta ya la so son me fa na ro fa ta la fa ta si ma na mo na do so ta wa abbiamo suyo il malu, tata umo samo il mondo toi fatta il tele il malu, tata umo stadio umo fuori e una idea da fare il tono nel musamo. La stadio è sana fatto una ma fa volta. Prima pana il va al malu samo, il malu o stadio lì, nei non ma. Il tuo io se fa molto prima na te fare samo. Se non tanto tele il malu, tata umo samo. Jadi ba am fa do mo na lu fa sima ma ta wo ba ya ma ta se le ma ta fa wa ma ta la ma fa ya na ma ya la ti ya fa ma ya le to ma lo ta ta sta ni ko le to ya sa mo ma lo fa ya ko to Reverend Fipai Korea, honorable members of Canada, members of the diplomatic corps, the Excellency, especially the Excellency William Carter, welcome to Samoa. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we gather today to celebrate a monumental occasion, the official handover of our new Guardian class, Togo Nafanua 3. This official welcoming ceremony of the vessel represents a significant step forward in Samoa's maritime and security capabilities, which underscores Australia's commitment to strengthening maritime security in the Pacific region. It further solidifies the strong partnership between Australia and Samoa, demonstrating their shared interest in safeguarding regional security and promoting development initiatives. Australia has a long history of providing support to Samoa's maritime security dating back to 40 years. Samoa established diplomatic relations with Australia in 1971, just 9 years after Samoa became the first Pacific country to gain independence from New Zealand. Both our nations are islands surrounded by the vast Pacific Ocean, which constitutes 1/3 of the surface of the Earth. It is our shared responsibility to safeguard this ocean. These waters provide us with a wealth of resources and opportunities. However, they also pose significant challenges. Our maritime domain is vulnerable to climate change, illegal and unreported unregulated fishing, human and drug smuggling, and other maritime threats. We are witnessing a concerning increase in sea level rising due to climate change, as well as the increased detection of illegal drugs within the Pacific region, especially in maritime space. Hence why the ceremony this afternoon is vital and important to Samoa and its maritime security. Maritime security is essential for our nation's prosperity and well-being. Our economy relies heavily on our maritime resources. We also rely on our seas for trade and transportation. Without maritime security, these vital sectors would be at risk, and it is important for our national defense. Furthermore, the Pacific region is a strategic location where the last healthy stocks of fish in the world are found, and we must ensure that it is not exploited by our adversaries. The gifting of the Nafanua Free will be a powerful tool in our efforts to secure maritime borders and protect our national interests. The vessel is fast, maneuverable, and equipped with state-of-the-art technology and capabilities that will further enable the Samoa police to effectively respond to a wide range of maritime threats and play a crucial role in search and rescue operations as well as humanitarian assistance and disaster response. The grounding of the Nafanua 2 in 2021 cast a shadow over our maritime security capabilities. It served as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance, training, and adherence to establish procedures in the realm of maritime operations. Whilst this incident was deeply troubling, it has provided the Samoan government with an opportunity to instrumentively identify shortcomings and implement corrective measures to prevent similar occurrences in the future. The measures we have taken to reflect our commitment to learning from our past mistakes and prioritizing the safety of our maritime operations. We recognize that maritime security is not just about safeguarding our borders. It is also about working together with other Pacific Island nations and protecting our people, our resources, and our reputation as a responsible maritime nation within the region. The Australian government has continued to provide support and assistance during the absence of a patrol boat, which includes the hiring of a local fishing boat to combat maritime surveillance within our EEC. Search and rescue, ongoing training, and professional development help further upskill the men and women of Samoa Police Maritime. And technical assistance provided by the two maritime advisors that are currently attached to Samoa Maritime Police. We acknowledge this support with much appreciation. We believe that cooperation is essential to addressing maritime challenges. No single country can tackle these challenges alone. By working together, we can share resources, exchange information, and coordinate our efforts. With that being said, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Australian government for gifting Samoa its third patrol boat. A testament to the commitment of the Australian government to working with its Pacific counterparts to strengthen maritime security in the Pacific region. It is my hope that the partnership between the Samoan government and the government of Australia will continue to remain firm and grow even greater in the years to come. The commissioning of our new Guardian-class patrol boat is a proud day for Samoa. This vessel is a symbol of our commitment to maritime security and dedication to our nation's prosperity and well-being. May the Guardian-class boat serve our Samoa and the Pacific with distinction and help to keep our waters safe for generations to come. God bless Australia. God bless Samoa. God bless us all who are here this afternoon.
Sei tele le ufiuma we install the tana ko le mo sa una ma fi le lava wa fi le te ku material o mo le foi o tralata no ma pe ya o ku fai ni lo ia ya mta ku ni ka tomo le data kama mire te o ila ufiuma il fa o ino fai no mti ma tu tala ko sina man tana le la no pelo ma wa faiva mtuti leo tatu tonu mai siu tatu ko kalame ro ye fa mo mo ile ofia ro ta pena le vivine de rotina atasi ai mal ko ina tatu wa tatu ole tulanga sa fa mo mo ile ya ye se singa ata no ile mo no tulanga sa male mo ko ko ina ai pa ia le ofia le alem fayel tatu watu mo ya tatu mata pe uno le ina ni pare uno ai paesi so sam mele mala wa fa alo lo tatu le foi ya fa malo stile mo le paia o le ia on tala i fa mandele tu le yaso yo no fi auto e tasi le tu tatu o mai lo fa ai tu mala wa fi lo fiona e para mia lo fa sta tasi io mi ho suo lo che le ha dato qua pianto ma sai ma mai ai mi fanno buon me non se va la vuoi fuori ma tu allora lo fiume sui palmia adesso sono in cucina sta au io lo tino ma mai ai mi fanno ma non fa allora